Hello guys, today I'll be talking about the difference between a parallelogram and a trapezium. The first object we have here is a parallelogram. So this is a parallelogram, and then the other one here is a trapezium. So first of all, I just want to talk about a basic difference between both things, because most of my students usually are sometimes confused or confusing the name of the parallelogram with the trapezium or the properties sometimes. So for the parallelogram, it's important to know that the DC line that's here is congruent, which means it's equal to the AB line, and the AD line is also congruent to the CB line. So congruent means that they are equal. But what also makes it a parallelogram is that they go in the same direction, so they can go forward or backward, and then they never meet. So they go forward or they can go backward. They can be extended this way and they never meet. So this one basic feature of a parallelogram. So let's see if this also goes for a trapezium. Now for the trapezium, first of all, you won't find a congruent line as you have found in the parallelogram. So for DC is not congruent, but it's parallel, meaning that the DC can be stretched, and then the AB also can also be stretched in a straight line, and they never meet. So there's no way DC and AB can never meet. So DC is parallel to AB. So that's about the basic difference. You can also, there's also a few things you should know about parallelograms, is that you can also have special kinds of parallelogram. For example, the square. Let me draw a small square here. The square can be a parallelogram because here can be stretched, and they can never meet, and also here can be stretched and can be stretched, they can never meet. So this can also be a parallelogram because that's the basic feature of a parallelogram. So it can be a special kind of a parallelogram. And this can also go for a rectangle. So this can be stretched, this can be stretched, and this can be stretched, and this can be stretched. So it can never meet. So they can be a special kind of a parallelogram. Now for the trapezium, it may also come in different shapes. For example, you can also have a trapezium like this. But one of the basic things to look out for is that the straight lines here can be stretched and can be stretched, and they will never meet. So that's my clue for today. Please subscribe to my channel, and until next time, thank you.